What's up, kids? I don't know if this is gonna be a new video or if it's gonna be continuing from last video. So last video I changed the slave and the master cylinder on the 240. Right after I changed it, I took it for a test drive. At first it still didn't want to go into gear, so I was like, what the fuck? But then after like 10 minutes it went into gear and it drove fine. So if it works today, it should be good. If not, then there's something fucked with this still. That's beside the point. Today I picked up some more parts from my part guy. Yeah, it's just a bunch of random shit. It's nothing that I really needed, but I just want to make the interior as clean as possible. So I got a brand new center console. Well, not brand new, used, but I already cleaned this. That's why I took all this shit, because this shit was all dirty on the inside. I cleaned the ashtray. So this one has an ashtray, mine didn't. So yeah, this came with everything that I needed. So it's gonna really make the interior look a little bit better. And I also bought some kick panels for the bottom driver and the bottom passenger. So what I'm gonna do today is I'm gonna sand everything down and repaint it, make it look brand new. I'm gonna put all these parts back inside the car and then I'm gonna take it for a drive after. Hopefully take it for a drive, see if everything works on it. Hopefully I don't get any fucking overspray on the camera. Plastics are done. I just did those quick. Those are the kick panels, so you don't really notice them. But this is one of the main things you see when you get into the car. So I'm really gonna try and spend my time and prep this as best as possible. That and this. I'll come back after I finish prepping these two pieces. Quick update, everything's already sanded. I even sanded everything on the inside. So yeah, all these pieces are sanded up. Inside of this ashtray too. So yeah, I'm gonna go degrease all of these parts, clean them up with some water, some degreaser, and then bring them back, let them dry, and they should be ready for paint. All right, so everything, me pushing that Prius. So everything's already all sanded. I already degreased it. There's still some parts that are wet, so I'm gonna just go over all the wet parts with the dry rag. Prep work's done. Next is paint. So everything's already painted. I gave all of these 3 coats and this one has 4 coats because this is the most important piece. It came out good. Time to put them in the car and take out the old ones. I have no hardware for these kick panels, so I don't know what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna figure something out. sneak back inside the car. I do not think kick panels were supposed to be this fucking hard to install. I had to put my shit with zip ties and push pins and all this shit. So yeah, everything's done. I'm fucking over it. What time is it? It is 5:46. I was supposed to finish this in like an hour, bro. Driver kick panel in, the passenger kick panel in, the new center console's in. It actually locks now, unlike the old one. I was missing this button. I need to make these work somehow. I'm gonna figure that out later. This shit is so clean, check it out. Bro, are you kidding me? That looks brand new out the factory. My battery's gonna die any second now, but I'm gonna take the car out for a drive. Yesterday the clutch was acting weird. So hopefully right now it goes into gear. Yesterday after I changed the master and the slave, it worked right after. I let the car sit for like an hour and a half. And then I tried taking it for an actual test drive and it didn't want to go into gear. Okay. Oh, thank God it still goes into gear. I guess it still had air in the system last time. I bled it one last time and then it seemed like it worked. All right, my camera's gonna die. I'm gonna take it for a test drive. Be right back. So I'm driving the car around right now and it feels good. The clutch isn't fucked up or anything like yesterday. So I guess it really just had that last little bit of air inside the system. Runs good. I'm gonna take it to work tomorrow finally. So yeah, hopefully everything's good on it. This is pretty much gonna be it for today. Thanks for watching. Shout out to the 6 people watching this. And yeah, that's pretty much it. So yeah, stay tuned. Got more 240 content coming. And yeah, that's pretty much it for today. I hope you guys have a blessed day. Later.